Practical of multiplexer, that is 4:1 marks. We are going to implement this particular equation of sum of product form का ये equation है. किसका equation है? Sum of product form, that is summation of m 1, 3, 5, 6. Now this equation we have to implement with the help of IC, that is 4:1 marks. तो अभी देखो यहाँ पे maximum number क्या है? Maximum number 6 है. Can we implement this till this number with the help of 4:1 marks? Straight forward way से कर सकते हैं क्या हम? No, because maximum number क्या है? 6 है. हमारे पास अवेलेबल कितने हैं? 4:1. 4 इनपुट अवेलेबल है मेरे पास. Yes or no?
Yes.
तो अगर स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वे से आपको करना है दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन, यू कैन यूज द 8:1 marks के IC. But my question is implement this particular equation with the help of 4:1 marks. So this can be implement the technique which is called as a hardware reduction technique. ये implement कर सकते हो ये equation with the help of 4:1 marks से, लेकिन हमें हार्डवेयर रिडक्शन टेक्निक पहला सॉल्व करना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद आपको implement कर सकते. Yes or no? Everyone got it?
Yes.
The question?
Yes.
Yes. Now how many inputs are given? 3, that is A, B, C. So I have written here A, B, C. So how many possible combinations are there? 8. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0 up to the 1, 1. Now if you look at this particular equation, what the numbers are given over here? 1, 3, 5, 6. In that place you need to put which value? Very good. Which value? 1. देखो यहाँ पे 1 के प्लेस में मैंने 1 डाला है. 3 is output is 1, 5 and this is 6. The numbers which are not given in the problem statement, in that place you need to write a 0. Yes or no?
Yes.
Like that you need to first of all draw the truth table. This is the first step for the hardware reduction. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Everyone got it? Now you need to draw the hardware reduction technique layout. This is called as a layout. Yes, this is not a K-map, student. This is not a K-map. Yes, so this is the layout you have to draw in the examination. Now, I want to convert this 8 number of inputs into the 4 number of inputs. Yes or no? Because मेरे पास 4:1 marks की IC है. Let's assume. Yes or no? तो आपको क्या करना है? ये टेबल बनाना है. यहाँ पे लिखना है 0, 1, 2 and 3. Yes or no? 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. हम मल्टी के मैप में हम क्या करते थे? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Don't apply the logic here of K map. You will get a wrong answer. This is not a K map. This is a hardware reduction technique. तो आपको क्या करना है? स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वे से 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 डालना है. यहाँ तक किसी को कुछ प्रॉब्लम है? This is my A bar. यहाँ पे A bar and यहाँ पे A. देखिए. Yes or no?
Yes.
0, 1, A bar and A. Now जो values यहाँ पे दिए, which values are given? 1, 3, 5, 6. 1, 3, 5, 6. So 1, 3, 5, 6 जहाँ पे लिखा है उसको हाईलाइट करना है, नहीं तो सर्कल करना है. एग्जाम में आप सर्कल कर सकते हो 1, 3, 5, 6. Yes or no? उसको क्या करना है? सर्कल करना है. Yes or no? उसके बाद देखो अगर दो जगह पे हाईलाइट है एंड आफ्टर दैट यू नीड टू लुक द कॉलम वाइज. कॉलम देखना. तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? दो जगह पे हाईलाइट है, दो जगह पे सर्कल है, तो आपको लिखना है यहाँ पे 1. यहाँ पे दोनों जगह पे भी हाईलाइट नहीं है, सर्कल नहीं है, तो यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? 0. अभी देखो यहाँ पे एक जगह पे हाईलाइट है, तो कहाँ पे हाईलाइट है मेरा? 6. तो where it is come? A. So that I have written here A. 3 and 7 कहाँ पे हाईलाइट है?
3.
And where it is come? A bar. Yes or no? मतलब we have converted 8 number of inputs into the 4 number of inputs 0, 1, A and A bar. 0, 1, A and A bar. Because I have available IC that is 4:1. देखो. Yes? Now देखो. मेरे पास 4:1 marks की IC है. आपको तो पता है 6, 5, 4, 3 are the data inputs. So what is my first input? 0. Yes, I have written here. Second input is 1. Third is A, that you need to give from this one section, input section on digital trainer kit. A bar कैसे जनरेट करोगे? With the help of NOT gate. What is the IC number for NOT gate? Yes. So we are using the NOT gate as well as 741534 as to 1 marks, and we are designing this particular diagram. 2 and 14 is select line, 1 number is strobe, you need to connect to ground, and 7 number is output, 8 and 16 is at the fixed input, that is 8 number ground and 16 number is VCC. Means लंबा भी इक्वेशन दिया है, that also you can implement with the help of 4 as to 1 marks. With the help of which technique? Hardware reduction. This technique can be asked in the final exam. Understood everyone?
Yes.
Now this is what the IC configuration of 74153. Yes. Now this is the IC of 74153. I have put in the IC socket. Now according to our design, what is the first input? 6 number pin is connected to the 0. That is 6 number pin is input, but it is connected to the 0. That is connected to the ground. Yes. Now 1 number pin which is connected to the, sorry, not 1 number, 5 number pin which is connected to 1, that is plus 5 volt, or else you can connect here and you can make the switch on.
Yes.
Yes. 4 number pin, it is connected to the A input. Now I am connecting the A input. A input here. Now I want which one? Another input, A bar.
A bar.
So how I'll get the A bar?
Not
NOT gate. With the help of NOT gate, means you need to connect the NOT gate here first. I am putting here the NOT gate key IC over here because I want the A bar. Yes. Now where is A? Where is my A? This is my A. So A, and at pin number 2 I'll get the A bar because NOT gate mein 1 is input, 2 is output. If I have given here A, I'll get here the A bar, and that is the input for the pin number 3 of multiplexer according to our design. Yes. Pin number 1 which is connected to the ground, that is strobe input. Pin number 2 which is connected to the select line. Where is pin number 2? Here. I am connecting here the select line, pin number 2 and
14.
pin number 14. Yes. And 8 number pin is, sorry, 7 is output. 7 is the output that I am connecting to the output section. Then 8 number pin is ground, and 16 number pin is the VCC. Understood everyone? This is all about design of given equation, and we have solved with the help of hardware reduction technique. Understood?
Yes.
Now make the kit on. Check, verify the design. Now 0 0. These are my select line. These are A input, and this is my output. Yes. Now 0 0 होगा तो मेरा output input क्या है? 0. That is going to connect. 0 1 होगा तो 1. Yes or no? Now if it is 1 0, if it is 1 0, what is my input? A. And where is my A? Here is my A. So whatever I am doing, changing over here, that will be reflected in the output section that you can see here. Yes or no?
Yes.
And if it is my 1 1, it is A bar. If it is my 1 1, it is A bar. Now यहाँ पे A bar मतलब ये है, ये 0 है, तो यहाँ पे 1 आ रहा है. Understood?
Yes.
It gets a complemented output. Understood everyone?
Yes.
So this is entire diagram, entire design of given equation.